So today I'm going to be tearing this motor apart and I'm going to be seeing what's on the inside of it, because I'm going to replace it with my mini bike. And the reason I'm wet is because I just got done riding my mini bike and I hit a big old mud hole and I realized it's deep and I'm soaked. But I don't feel like going inside and changing it. So the first thing we'll do is drain the oil. Because I bought this motor, I don't remember how long ago, but I've never really drove it that much. It wasn't like a go-kart, but it didn't last very long. Yep. There we go. Whew. Oh my gosh, I think that's gas in there. Hold up. That did not look that good. Yeah, that is not too healthy looking. Yep. Oh no. Alright, so I just took the side cover off, and I did not know this thing had all these hop-up parts. Hold up, let me try to spin this. So, yeah. Hold on, let me look at this cam. It's not coming up. I have to put down the phone. Right here, hold up. This thing basically is a built motor. So much sludge in the bottom of it. I think this is a big cam. I don't know. Can y'all tell? Cause I can't. I don't know, I ain't never. Pressure noise. I don't know. Alright, this thing looks good. It looks like a stock ride. Well, as That's in the block. It's like sludge. Nasty. Nasty. Ugh. Clean that out. I'm gonna pull the head next. Yeah, I don't think those are upgraded ones. I don't think. It'll be alright. Yeah, I don't think those are. So I'm gonna get upgraded valve springs. I think that's a big cam. I'll have to figure that out. If it don't have a flat top piston, high compression piston, gonna get that, high compression head, and I don't know. High. Oh no, that's cast. I'll get whatchamacallit, aluminum rod too. So I'll see that. Nope. Yeah. Nope, not that one. I really hope this motor has a high compression head and piston, because that would be awesome. But if not, it'll be alright. Yeah, I'm gonna replace this motor with that 196, because that one's just losing power like crazy. And it smokes too, it burns oil, it leaks oil. It served its time. Need a screwdriver. Might get new gaskets too. I think I'm just gonna put that slide carburetor on this one. Oh my gosh, no. There we go. I got it. Ow, it hurt. Oh, I don't. I don't have a high compression piston here. Wheel. I wonder if you can upgrade the push rod. have a good bit of carbon buildup, but yep. I'm gonna do a build series on this motor. So I'll put all the parts up in like a box or something, and then I don't know. Yeah, I guess I'll just start building it. Build it from scratch. Take everything out of it. I want to keep the flywheel there. Keep the flywheel, the cam. I don't know, if it's a bigger cam, I'm definitely keep it. I don't want a big cam. I don't want to. Dude, that one, the 196, it has a plastic one. I don't know why. Like the metal gear on it has like the circle gear part. That's the plastic piece. Really dumb. I don't know why they did it like that. But I don't know what this is. It fell out of there. This thing. Little cat piece. Well, I might get the head. Might get his head too. Just because a higher compression head. Get a higher compression head and then port the valves. These ones are not ported. Good. And heavier valve springs too. All the good stuff. Good motor. Cause once I put on that bike, I'll keep my exhaust that's on the bike. So yep. Other than like a racing spark plug. Then I'll pull these off of here. These studs for the, I don't know if that still saved. I don't know if that's saved or not. It's my phone, the 10% thing. I don't know. But I was saying, take these studs off right here. So that way I can put that carburetor on there easier once I'm done with the build. So yeah. I'll do like a part 2 once I get more parts for this motor. So, yep. I'll make another video soon.